Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. In this video, guys, I got a shipment from nerdgears.com. It's nothing big, but I'm excited to see what they put in it. So, I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Nerd Gears shipment that I got here. So let's do it, guys. Let's see here. Let's cut it open. Okay. There we go. Alright, I think that's good enough. Okay. There we go. Alright guys, let's see what we got here. Let's look at the packaging. Alright, looks like there's ample packaging in here. Oh, okay, this looks like one of the graphic cards that I ordered. We're gonna test this card out later, okay? We're gonna test it on this rig over here. We'll see what this card is and see what kind of hash rates we get. Alright, let's take a look at the other packaging here. So, nice bubble wrap. What's this? What's this? Nerd Gears. Release your inner nerd. Ah, I like it. Let's open this, guys. Let's open this. Let's take it out here. Kind of one-hander this. Okay. Okay. It is a breakout board for a server power supply. Check that out. That looks pretty sick. This is good. I need this, guys. Okay, but yeah, I ordered a graphic card and it came with a 1200 watt power supply. That was free on Canada Day. They had a Canada Day sale. So, man, that is awesome. Okay, so that's the breakout board. Thank you, nerdgears.com. Gonna put this on the side here. All right, let's open up the next thing here. All right, we got some more packing stuff here. Okay, let's open this guy. Okay, I'm gonna assume this is the power supply. Okay, so let me the HP server power supply. Let me go ahead and figure out how to open this thing here. Let me cut this piece of tape. Okay, it actually said retaped, repacked by DHL. So I think DHL actually opened this. That's hilarious. Through Canadian Customs. Okay. HP server power supply, guys. Take a look. This does the 1200 watt at 240. And that's perfect because you guys know that I have a 240 volt plug right here now with my Triplite PDU, which is working great, by the way. I don't have anything running right now because it's just way too hot. So, yeah, I'm excited. I'm going to add this on my 12 card rig, I believe. My 12 card rig or another rig that I have at my second mining location. So, that's awesome. Okay, so we got the breakout board and the server power supply. Thank you, Nerd Gears. Perfect. Okay, so that's the other one. I'm going to put this on the ground. Okay, now next up, anything else we got in here? Let's see. What is this? Oh, coasters. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see this, guys. I think that's it in the box. I'm gonna open this up. Coasters, eh? Oh my goodness. Let's open this up. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is sick. Oh my god. RedPandaMining coaster. Oh my god, that is sick. Derpicarp, oh, that is so cool, man. Thank you. You 3D printed this, right? Yeah, I believe he 3D printed a bunch of coasters for me. Oh my goodness, this is sick. Look at this, guys. There's the Bitcoin one. And what's this? Oh, there's an Aeon coaster. Look at that. Yashnik, we got to get on this, man. 3D printer coasters. We got Ethereum, awesome. We got Litecoin. And another Bitcoin coaster. That is sick. Oh, Derpicarp, thank you so much. Nerdgears.com. You guys are awesome. Now, I believe Nerdgears.com is going to make these. I'm not sure, but stay tuned, guys. Check them out. Nerdgears.com. They sell server power supplies and graphic cards. Okay, guys, we're gonna open up the graphic card now. Let's see. You guys will know which graphic card I ordered here, so let me open it up here. Alright guys, there it is. Look at this card, it's so beautiful. Holy smoke, this card is huge. Can you guys guess what card this is? Some of you AMD guys will know. All right, this is a Power Color Red Devil, guys. Power Color Red Devil, and it's got 8 gigabytes of memory. Okay, it's also got a back plate as well. Man, this is an awesome card. Nerd Gears, thank you so much. This is so cool. Okay, so a lot of you guys may be wondering, Red Panda, why did you get this card? Well, I got it for mining, guys. Just kidding. I actually got this for my fiance. She's going to use it in her computer. And right now, because she doesn't have a graphic card because I took it out, and you know, obviously for mining. So I'm gonna give her this card. But before we do that, guys, we gotta make sure and see how much hash rate we can get on this card, okay? So let me go ahead and put it on the test bench, and I will see you guys on the computer, and we'll see what kind of hash rates we get out of this first. Alright guys, I am remoted into the rig, as you can see, top right, with the RX 580 Power Color Red Devil from nerdgears.com. Oh man, the card looks really good, guys. Okay, so let's see the specs of it real quick here. Tech Power Up GPU Z, 14 nanometer card, RX 580 Power Color. The big thing, notable thing here is it has GDDR5 Samsung memory. Okay, this is legit. Samsung memory is probably one of the best memory to have on video cards in general. And as you can see, the default clock is 1350 and memory 2000. But right now I have it clocked at 1200 core and 2200 memory. Okay, and I already changed it already in global Wattman, as you can see here. I'm doing 1200 core, 900 millivolts, and let's see here, what else are we doing? 2200 memory and 900 millivolts for the memory. And that's it. Okay, and I got the fan pumped up as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we can do on Claymore. Okay, so I'm putting strap 1 here, dash strap 1, and RX boost, dash RX boost 30, okay? It's all entered in, and let's see what hash rate we get on this card, my friends. Windows, Claymore version 14.7. I am excited. Okay, so I forgot to mention the base wattage of the system was about 40 watts, I believe. So that's the delta minus the however much the RX 580 is going to do. So it's updating the memory timings. Please wait a few seconds. And it applied the strap and RX boost, so that's good. Updating memory times finished, and we're getting 32.8. Oh, 32.9 mega hash. Oh, I feel like we're getting real close to 33. Yes, we hit 33 mega hash. Awesome, 33 mega hash on this RX 580 Power Color Red Devil with Samsung memory. Oh my god, I love this card, man. I also am a big fan. You guys know I made a video about the Asus Strix RX 480 with 8 gigabytes and Samsung memory, and that got around 33 megahertz as well, mega hash as well. You know what? I am gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna see if I can boost up the memory to 2250. Okay, we're gonna see here. 2250. I just want to make sure I don't... Alright, let's see if we get a little bit higher mega hash here. As you guys can see, the wattage consumption, power consumption right now is 153. So minus 35 to 40 watts. This RX 580 Red Devil is using about 110 watts at the wall. So that's really good. Really good for 33 mega hash. That's nuts, guys. Alright, we found a share. Alright, that's good enough for me, guys. It looks like it didn't go up that much when I added another 50 to the memory, 50 megahertz. Alright, guys, well, that's it. So, just to end off, guys, I just want to thank nerdgears.com for giving me these awesome coasters. Also, the HP server power supply and the breakout board. Man, these coasters are actually awesome. I was looking at them further, and they actually have the Nerd Gears logo on the back of them. You guys can you guys see that? It's kind of there. And on some of the other ones too. Here, that one looks pretty good. Nerdgears.com, release the inner nerd. That's awesome. And as well as the video card. Thank you so much, you guys. Seriously, this card is amazing. Hashes so well. And definitely going to order some more stuff from you guys soon. So thank you to nerdgears.com. You guys should go check them out. Nerdgears.com. I'll have it linked in the description. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing video and testing video of the GPU that I got from NerdGears. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Let me know what you think, and peace out.